Hello guys and welcome to a new pack opening. Today we got 16 of these Boston Bruins pack, 8 on my ordinary account and 16 on my second account. Let's see what we get here. I mean 8. Let's see what we get here. Come on, something good please. Oh, Tobias Enstrom. Bishop Giants. I love these Pittsburgh Penguins jerseys. I really love them. I like the gold color of it. Oh, the ice cream truck is outside. McQuaid, Fiddler. Not the coach, just player. Third pack, come on guys. Let's see if we can get something here. Oh, Parento, Magnus Perjärvi. On Persona change team. I have a lot of them. That's very nice. Let's see what we can get here. Oh, Tyler Bow. Oh, lots of 8. Contract, not some. Oh, let's see what we can get here. Brodin Burke. I think I have like Brodin a lot of times. 500 coins. Free. It's good. Martin Cook. Martin Oak. Team Eriksson. British player. The last two will probably be my best packs. Oh, skip Bjugstad Bauman. No, I don't think so. I haven't got wrong button. I haven't got something good in the last like 20 packs. I'm really struggling to get good players. And Petrovic, and nothing more. Let's jump into the next account. Okay guys, so now we are on my second account and we have 8 of Boston Bruins here. Let's open the first pack and hopefully something decent. Oh, come on, skip pack. Night Bowling Army. Now he's so ugly. He's so arrogant. Shouldn't it be 4 rares? It was like 6 rares. Eddie Lack and Mike Pretty Thieves. Pretty decent pack. Little pack now guys. That's safely working. No, Anders Roman is decent. Have a big upgrade next year, I think, which is really good now. Redeem Paul. Come on, skip this one. Oh, take yeah. Capitals. Packs has been. They haven't been decent to be lost. Always on the pack. Nothing good least. Oh, this is a legend. Come on. Oh, Edmondson and Thompson is not legend. Last pack of the video. Come on. Bam! Odoja! Fiddler! The best of this pack opening was Michael Domi and I don't know who the second was, but Michael Domi and one more 85.